It is well known that panel repair work is not only time-absorbing, but requires skill and years of experience to do well. This is especially true of modern cars, because the panels are much thinner these days, making it difficult not to accidentally stretch them. Furthermore, it's now almost impossible to do work from the inside because of impact protectors and other devices. That's why a Miracle System had to be developed. Miracle System has been designed to overcome those troublesome problems easily with what we consider to be a very logical way of repairing panels. Miracle System can be used for any size of panel repair, from the smallest dent to the largest damage. Miracle System has been developed in Japan and has already obtained a patent in many countries. Currently, the system is respected as a revolutionary tool and is highly valued around the world. The Miracle System is set to change the panel repair industry forever. Most of the damage affecting panels fall into one of two categories: those that concern the elastic distortion area and those that concern the plastic distortion area. If there is elastic distortion, it can by all means return to its original shape when the tension is released. If, however, there is plastic distortion, it can't go back to its original shape, regardless of whether tension is released. The Miracle System method of repairs has been designed to simplify your task and to make your repair work quicker than ever before. Most of the time you only have to concentrate on the plastic distortion areas, and the elastic distortion areas will sort themselves out. With our system, distortion that may occur during repair work is greatly minimized, leaving you with a surprisingly small amount of need for body filler and painting work. Now we are proud to present to you this marvelous panel repair method, the Miracle System. Strong Puller. The Strong Puller is designed for work on semi-structural panels such as sills, quarter panels and so on. Look at this badly damaged panel. In the conventional way, you would probably cut off the damaged panel and replace it with a new one, or try to pull out the damage with a pulling tower. Either way, it takes time and gives you a lot of unnecessary hard work. One of the special features of the Miracle System is that you can repair damage nicely in much shorter time, without having to replace the panel. The bit is specially designed to repair damage to the strongest part. The bit is made with a special material that enables it to be securely welded onto the panel. First of all, weld a bit onto the deepest point of the damage. Then, weld a second bit close to it and bend it into place. As you can weld many bits inside a small area, together they will allow you to pull out a strong part easily. Next, hook a wrench into the holes of the bits. Thanks to the oblong shape of the hole, you can easily hook up a wrench, even if the damage is deep and sharp. Place the hook at the deepest point of the damage. As you adjust the distance between both feet, you can pull out only the desired area. At this point, you simply pull the handles up towards you, and you will be amazed at how easily this strong part of the panel is coming out. It's so easy and simple. To adjust the level of the panel, just turn the center knob left or right. Pull out the panel to about 80% of the original level and the handles can be locked. This is where it comes into its own as an outstanding tool. The panel is now under tension and you can simply tap out the rest of the distortion. Even the most tightly welded bits can be easily twisted off. 10 minutes is all it took to get to this stage. The strong puller is so easy to use and you can rely on amazing results each time. Line puller. The line puller was designed specifically with repairing panel lines quickly and nicely in mind. As you well know, line repair is the most exacting and important part of panel repair, and due to its need for accuracy, it can take the longest time. If you want to reduce repairing time, you'll have to repair the lines quickly and efficiently. The unique line puller is the result of years of research, testing our invention, and listening to advice from experienced panel beaters. As you can see, this damage would be extremely difficult to repair, and it seems likely that this panel should be replaced. But let's see what we can do with the line puller. Again, you weld the specially designed bits onto the lines. The line puller only needs one person to use it. It is set onto the car and the weight is suspended by cords from the suction cups. Naturally, the cord length is adjustable, so the line puller can be put anywhere. The level gauge shows you the original level of the line, and it will allow you to work with ease and accuracy. As you slide the handles, you will always be able to pull from the ideal position. Even a wide area of the damage can be pulled out in one operation. Lock the handles and hammer out the damaged plastic distortion area. That would be a lengthy job using conventional methods, but now it can be done in much less time, and areas to be body filled cut to a minimum. Lever puller. The lever puller is designed to repair medium-sized damage as an alternative to the strong puller or the line puller. It is very effective to use on simple damage or in cases where you can't place the feet of the strong puller or the line puller. Weld the bit to the deepest line of the damage. Pull the lever gently, and as you give tension to the panel, repair the distortion by hammering. It couldn't be more simple or more handy. Easy puller. The easy puller is designed to be used for finishing work, i.e. for getting rid of small dents and scrapes. This kind of dent can be a pain in the neck as the panel is already stretched. With the easy puller, this job will be a piece of cake for anyone. To set up the tool, connect the easy puller to a welding machine for the cable. The operation couldn't be easier. Simply touch a panel and the bit is welded automatically. The panel slowly corrects itself as you squeeze the lever gently. Then twist the handle to remove the bit. The ability to weld instantly and pull quickly will shorten your repair time enormously. With the conventional sliding hammer, it's not easy to control your work, and it's difficult not to stretch the panel. On the other hand, with the Easy Puller, you can see and control your operation as you are doing it. Even a semi-skilled panel beater can repair dents with little practice. Despite the considerable damage to this door, it would not present a problem for you. Simply weld, pull and twist. You need take only 5 minutes over this scrape. Another benefit of the Easy Puller is that you can localize the repair. Your repairing will be limited to the area inside the frame, thus distortion will not spread. Again, body filler area will be small. Miracle Pet. The Miracle Pet is an advanced sliding hammer designed with a new concept. The Miracle Pet is simply clamped to a welding machine, then it's ready to use. As you did with the Easy Puller, just touch the panel with it and the bit is automatically welded. This easy and effective operation gives you more time to do other things. Miracle Stud. The Miracle Stud is a compact but high-performance stud welder, especially designed to work with the Miracle system. Only with this stud welder will you be able to get perfect performance out of the Miracle system. The control panel is very easy to use with icons. Why do you need the Miracle system? To reduce repairing time. To reduce body filler area and sanding work. Reduction in cost for materials. Save money for spare parts by up to 30%. Increase your sales by up to 600%. Cut labor cost by up to 30%. Speedy service and good quality repairs. Easy to train new technicians. These are just a few reasons for choosing the Miracle system. The Miracle system is a revolutionary method in the field of panel repairs. To get to its present form, it has taken years of testing and research by a team of experts. All aspects of the panel repair business are changing, and most importantly, so are the repair methods being used. Miracle System is positively changing the world of panel repair. We hope that you are going to join us soon. Thank you.